Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about what you shouldn't do when popping pimples. Here we go. Number 1. No bare hands. Always wear gloves when dealing with infected, pus-filled pimples. Sure, it may be okay to mess with a small blackhead if you have clean hands, but if you're dealing with pus and infections, use some gloves to prevent the spread of infection. In fact, we'll include a link to some amazing allergy-free nitrile gloves and a pimple popper kit in the description below. Number 2, don't pop an abscess. If you have a large, warm bump, maybe you're running a fever, you may have an infection or abscess, and you don't want to pop that. Popping an abscess is dangerous because it could push the infection into your bloodstream. Introducing infection to your heart or brain can be deadly. With any major infection, go see a doctor. Number 3, don't put the contents of your pimples on your gloves. Generally speaking, let's keep your pimple popping gloves clean. It's probably the most commented aspect of pimple popping videos. Gross, right? Number 4, don't use dirty nails to pop pimples. If you don't wear gloves or pimple popper tools, clean your hands, fingers, and nails first. It's not hygienic to do otherwise. Again, there's a link to some great extractor tools with free gloves in the description below. Alright folks, did I miss anything? Leave me a comment below, and Adam or I will do our best to reply. Adios amigos.